What's up, y'all? AJ Simmons, the Cleaning Business GOAT, and I'm going to talk about this Clean Biz Network conference coming up this July 23rd through the 25th, 2025. So that's this month, y'all. We're couple weeks away. So what I want to do real quick is go over everything that you can expect about the conference, any details you might have missed, all of that good stuff. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and share my screen, and then we'll jump into this thing real quick for y'all. So just give me a second. Let me go ahead and share this screen, get my computer straight. And here we go. All right, bam. So let's go to the main page first. So, bam, if you need a ticket, all you got to do is go to cbnconference.com. All right. On this page, you will see that you can get general admission tickets to attend in person. Or if you click that drop down arrow, you can also go to virtual tickets and get a virtual ticket. Notice the virtual tickets cost a little bit more. That's purposely done only because we want you to be in the building. All right. That's the only reason that we're doing it that way. And let me check one thing, y'all, because I want to make sure that y'all view is good. Okay, cool. Let me make that view a little bit better. All right, y'all can see that a little bit better now. All right, cool. So, bam. All right, so general admission, like I said, the ticket's a little bit less because we want you to actually come. But you're more than welcome to get a virtual ticket and watch online, all right? Also, I had people asking, can they buy a one-day ticket or a two-day ticket? No, you just get a ticket. And then if you only show up for one day, you show up for one day. But it's up to you how you want to do it. But if you just want to come for one day, that's cool. But you still got to pay for the regular ticket price, all right? Here's the event overview. You can learn everything about it. It's like a brief description of what the of what the conference is and what you can expect. Here's more details: where it's located, the dates of it, how many people you can expect to be there. All right, and then we got the actual agenda, so we can kind of go through this a little bit. So on that very first day, that Wednesday, we're gonna come in. All right, and then we're gonna start at 5 o'clock, end at 10 o'clock. So I ain't gonna keep y'all out too late because we know we got to get right back in that conference and get the business on and the first thing the next morning on Thursday. All right, so bad check in start at 5 o'clock. So get in there. The DJ gonna already be in there playing music and stuff. We're gonna have some drinks and all that type of stuff available, few hors d'oeuvres. The dress code for that day is business casual. All right, so just pull up where your normal business casual stuff that you would wear to any type of business networking event. All right. The next thing you know, the MC gonna check in. All right, and then that'll be the DJ as well. Shout out to DJ Soldier. He gonna be back. He was there for 2023. He killed it. All right, and he gonna be back again. So you already know what time it is. Then we do more mingling and all of that. And at 7 o'clock, I'm coming on to speak. You already know how I'm gonna do it, y'all. I'm gonna give you everything I got. I mean, make sure we start this thing off with a bang. All right. Then we're gonna break out, do a quick picture, real quick group picture. We're gonna do a bunch of group pictures, so don't worry. All right. Then we're gonna do a panel. It says business and brews panel, but it's actually got to get updated. So what we actually gonna do is a couples panel. All right. So it's gonna do business couples. All right. And so we're gonna have. I'm trying to think of all of the couples. I'll show you on the public itinerary. All right, which is gonna show on the thank you page. All right. Then that's kind of pretty much it. So I'll be speaking. We're gonna do a lot of mixing and mingling. We're gonna do a panel. And then that'll be it. We're gonna stop at 10. We come back the next day, and then you can get all your speakers on that second day, Thursday. So that's gonna be like the main highlight of the day, with everybody, like all the different speakers sharing what they know. All right. Third day, that's when we're gonna do breakout sections. So that's a big one too. So we're gonna literally come in. We're gonna have different stations, and you can go to each one of these stations and learn something that one of our station leaders specialize in. All right. So you're gonna get you a table. We're gonna rotate and learn different things. All right. Really get a chance to interact. After that, group picture again. We're gonna come back later on. On that third day, it's gonna be that's that night that everybody always wait for. We dress up, black tie affair, ball gown, like we dress up. You know what I mean? So that's gonna be the one we take that beautiful picture. And this year we doing a big time. Shout out to Big Ron who helping me. He done a lot of work out in Hollywood, so we're gonna have a step and repeat set up with the red carpet. Now I mean, you walk in there with your best on, and you. Now I mean, we're gonna y'all know how we're gonna do it. Now I mean, so you pull up. We're gonna have, I believe we got dinner served that night as well. We're gonna have an award ceremony, a group picture after that, and then we party. You know what I mean? We're gonna turn up and we're gonna party the rest of the night all the way to the end about 11. And after that, we're going to the after party. So all right, so this is the after party. We're gonna go to the after party for anybody who else want to go and get out here in Duval and see what the scene like out here. All right. And then notice that this is on a Friday night. So you still got Saturday and Sunday if you stay the whole weekend. Chill with your family if you brought the family. Go do your own thing if you want to go do your own thing. But I try to make sure that it's that way because that's how I am, right? I still want to have my me time as the introvert that I am, all right? If you want to see footage of any of the past stuff, you can come over here and review it. We got stuff from 2024, 2023, 2020. This is the behind the scenes stuff. This is actually DJ Soldier right here. He'll be back again. All right, 2022, all of that stuff. All right, you also can click here to view all of the pictures from the previous year. So, you know what I mean? You can see we grew every single year. If you just look at the pictures, 2022, 2023, 2024. You know what I mean? It's more and more, it's getting bigger and bigger every single time. And every single one of these pictures, all of the people that was there weren't even in these pictures, right? Because people be wandering off doing their own thing, right? But it's nothing like, it's just a big family reunion for real. You know what I mean? So just pull up, be comfortable, bring your questions, be prepared to learn, and be ready to have fun and be celebrated. You know what I mean? One more thing I want to point out, we are still taking vendors and sponsors. So make sure you click here if you want to be a vendor or a sponsor. You get your whole booth set up. Now, I mean, you're going to be right out there by the bar, so that way people ain't got no choice but to come past you. You know what I mean? So if you want to be a vendor or a sponsor, just click this little button right here, and it's going to take you to that application, and then you're good to go. All right? Now, after you purchase your ticket, one more thing on the tickets. We do have a discount. So there's a couple things, actually. And I'm going to go to the regular ticket just so you can see it, but it works for both. So if you come to the here, and I'm gonna say this too before I forget, if you already purchased an in-person ticket and you want to convert to a virtual ticket, just let us know. Email support@cleanbusinessnetwork.com and we got you. All right. Now, I do have a discount code for you. So if you want to use a discount code, the discount code is growth. So you can put that in there, and it will take a percentage off for this ticket for you, 10%. All right. Also, we do have payment plans available. So if you need to do a payment plan, you can click on this button right here that says Shop Pay and fill out your information. And then Shopify, because I'm selling these through Shopify, Shopify will check and see if they want to approve you or not for payment plan installment. Same thing like Klarna or Afterpay is the exact same model pretty much. All right. So if you can't get it all right now, choose Shop Pay and see if you can qualify for financing on the tickets. All right. But I made sure the tickets was half the price of last year. Now, I mean, it should be good to go. I know you got to pay for your room and your flight too, though. So that's why we still make that option available for y'all. All right. What else I got for y'all? So bam. So after you purchase your ticket, then you're going to go to the next page, and it's going to be this page right here. All right. So if you come to this page, it's going to have all of the details for you. You know what I mean? The thank you page. Make sure that you know everything you need to know. So it's got the hotel. So a special link to the hotel. So make sure you click this ASAP. And really, they supposed to stop letting us get these rooms already. The cutoff date for this was I think the 2nd or the 7th, one of the other. But it looked like they extended it. So if it's still there when you click this link, please hop on it immediately, all right? Because these rates are definitely great compared to what they usually are without going through the CBN link, all right? So click that link for the hotel. So after you buy, don't just leave and click off. Make sure that you actually stay here and read through all of the details here, all right? So click that link, book your hotel. Next thing we got, also if you're in CBN, make sure you check in the group for people that's coming. Because if you want to partner with somebody, maybe go half on a room or half on what do you call them? Taxis or Ubers. That's what I'm talking about. Ubers or whatever the case may be. Make sure you're checking in the CBN group if you're a member, because we got people in there actively working, roommating, working with each other, et cetera. Shout out to Angelica, who's been helping a lot with that every year. So thank you on that. Same thing with Carolyn as well. Need professional child care at the event? Bring your kids. We got it. All right. It's provided by Kids Park, professional daycare in the area. They do about an hour. So all you got to do is sign a little waiver. You click this button right here. It's going to be a little application. They waive the fee for you if you let them know you were CBN. All right. And then you sign up and you're good to go. They charge about an hour. So you just drop them off whenever you want to drop them off. Go pick them back up when you want to pick them back up. And I believe they stay open all the way until like 11 o'clock at night. So real good service right there for you if you want to bring the kids. This button right here is what you really want to make sure that you click, because this is the full itinerary, and it is a living document, so it could change. So throughout the event, make sure you constantly watching this itinerary right here to see if anything changed or if you got to do anything different. All right. And what else we got? We got more lodging and travel details here, letting you know like which to the best zip codes to get your rooms in that's close to the event. A couple of different restaurants and stuff that you can visit while at the venue. And most of these are in walking distance. All right. What else we got? These are some attractions that are around the area. They also most done within walking distance or 20-minute drive, up to a 20-minute drive away. All right. Then you got questions or comments on any of that. There's our contact information down here. And then if you did get a virtual ticket, all you got to do is at the time of the event, just click on this green button right here on this thank you page. So if you bought a virtual ticket and you're trying to figure out how to watch it, just go back to your email when we send you the confirmation email after you purchase. Go back to that email, click that purchase confirmation button in your email. It's gonna bring you back to this page. Click this green button during the event and you'll be able to watch it all live. Every single thing will be right there streaming for you. All right. What else we got? So one thing I want to do is kind of go over that itinerary real quick for you. So when you click on the itinerary button right here, it's going to take you to this, the public itinerary right here. And so this one is the most accurate. So what you see on the website might be a little bit behind, as you saw on the front page right here. This stuff is a little outdated and it has to be updated. But everything on this official public itinerary right here is updated and it will continue to be finalized as we go. So kind of want to dive in a little bit. Like I said, bad check start at 5 o'clock on that Wednesday, the 23rd. Then we're going to mix and mingle. You walk around, meet some people, grab your drink, get comfortable, start building. You know what I mean? You came there to get outside and meet people. All right. We're going to have the music playing. You get real comfortable. All right. Then I'm going to come on. I'm going to speak. We're going to do my thing. You already know what time it is. Then we're going to do, like I said, we're going to do a group picture. Then we're going to do the fireside chat with the couples. All right. So we do the business couples. We got Andrew and Raina Lewis. Now we've got the Lewises coming on. We got the Bungages coming on with Miss Kiana from Combat Cleaning and her husband Leo. We got the Bolins, Peter Bolin and his wife will be on there as well. And then we got my guy Mario Kelly out of Detroit. Him and his wife Sade will be there as well. So definitely want to get in there because I know a little bit, just a little bit. I don't know a lot, but I know a little bit about each one of their stories, and they're definitely unique. And that's why I chose them specifically. All right. Then we're gonna stop at 10, roughly around 10. Then we're going to be back the next day from 10 to 5, all right, on that Thursday, the 24th. Carolyn going to open it up. Make sure you're there on time and early because you already know Carolyn going to bring it. You already know how it is with her. Right after that, we're going to give you a 30-minute break. Andrew Lewis coming on. We talking systems. We talking automation. You already know what time it is when it comes to Andrew Lewis, so do not miss that one, all right? Then we got my guy, Ola. Ola is going to be a special speech because my guy, this is somebody who's doing damn near $500,000 at only, 21 years old, I believe he is, 21, 22. So somebody is able to do that type of revenue and generate the success that he's been able to generate at such a young age. You definitely want to hear what he got to say. Like a lot of energy, young energy. Now, I mean, so make sure you get in there. After that, my guy Peter Bolin come right in. He's also a sponsor as well. Shout out to Peter. He gonna come in there, give you his story on how he built a multi-million-dollar company. I believe he's doing like 20 now. You know what I mean? So definitely make sure you don't miss that one. All right. Right after that, I'm gonna do a CBN success story. Got a couple people from CBN to come on there and tell you about how we killing it. Y'all already know how we do it in the interviews. We got countless amounts of testimonials in CBN. So make sure you're there for that. You can ask your questions to these people and get the real on what it is with how they're thriving with their companies. And then finally, we had a keynote, which right now is slated to be Ricky Regalado. But that may or may not change. I don't know, but we still confirming. But we got Ricky closing it out at 4 p.m. All right, Eastern time. He'll be the final speaker. Then we're going to break out. That's the end of that day. And then the final day on that Friday, the 25th, y'all, you come in here. That's going to be Rep Your Brand Day. By the way, let me make sure you know the attire. So the attire for this day, too, is business casual. For first 2 days, business casual, wear what you want to wear. Third day, for the first half, because we got 2 parts on that third day. First half from 10 to about 3, what we're going to do is rep your brand. So rep your brand mean wear your logo shirts, wear your business shirts, show off your logos, your brand, what y'all wear when y'all clean the buildings or when you're going door to door selling, whatever it is, but rep your brand with your company stuff on it, all right? If you ain't even in the cleaning industry and you got another brand you want to promote, wear that stuff. Bring your giveaways, do all of that, and we're going to mix and mingling, all right? So we're going to be doing breakout sessions. So as you can see, we got a bunch of different heavy hitters. They got their own stations. We got Cleaners Connect, out there with Miss Angel Shackelfoot. She's going to be running that table. We got Tenacity Station. So you already know about Team Tenacity. They hosted the past 2 conferences. So you already know they have hitters out there. They got one of the best YouTube channels out here. Another great YouTuber as well. DJ The Ball's got a station as well. So make sure you hit his station. He going to hook y'all up with some great information. Mario Kelly as well. He got the Believe 313 station. Make sure you check out his station. We got actually this one is going to change. So I got to update that one. But we're going to have another station as well. We got the CBN station, so we're going to have somebody manning that one. Everybody eats. And then we got an automation station. So it's going to be different stations that we're going to rotate through and break out. And then y'all can really like ask your questions to dive in. Because I know a lot of times when we got speakers on stage, you might draw a blank or you might not want to ask your question standing up in front of all of the people. So that's why we do the breakout session to make sure you still can get in an intimate setting for the introverts like myself. And you still can get those questions answered, all right? And then we're going to break out. So just breakout sessions after that. And then we're going to end. We're going to do a group picture. And then we're going to end. All right. Then while we ending, it's so y'all can go back to your rooms, get freshened up, and get ready to come back on down for that black tie. All right. So this is when you want to come down all formal like you're going to the prom. You know what I mean? So we're going to have some hors d'oeuvres for y'all that night. Now, I mean, you can arrive around about 6:30. We're gonna start the award ceremony at 6:45. All right, and then so you get to see who won the awards for the outstanding entrepreneurs for 2025 and 4/5, right? Basically, since the last conference. All right, so we'll see who get the awards this year. We're gonna do a group picture. And then after that, we're gonna do the after party, like I was telling y'all earlier. And then we'll also have an after party somewhere, wherever local restaurant or bar we decide to go to. We're gonna all go there deep like we do every single time after the conference. Is a vibe, y'all. So make sure y'all get there, turn up with us, man. Celebrate the cleaning industry. That's always my slogan for the conference, man. Is we want to celebrate the cleaning industry. Like we get there coming to get educated, but we also coming to get celebrated because we one of the most overworked and overlooked people in the world. Like people that clean, we so underappreciated, so overlooked, but really the value that we provide is second to none. You know what I mean? So make sure you get in that room, get celebrated, and most importantly, get educated, build your network. There's so many people that walk away from this conference with like, hold on, let me put me on the big screen right quick. Make sure you see my face as I'm telling you this stuff right now. But it's so many people, man, they walk away from this conference with deals, you know what I mean? New partners, like new information that they can apply, deep knowledge that a lot of times doesn't get shared on YouTube for whatever reason, right? Friendships. A lot of people made real friends that they still friends with to this day from conferences. As a matter of fact, I met Tony at a conference, one of my closest friends now. You know what I mean? Brandon Orr as well. So it's like, make sure you get in that room. Andrew Lewis, another one. You know what I mean? These are people that I knew who they were because they was in Clean Business Network. But until I met them in person, you know what I mean? That's when we built those real relationships, those real friendships, and those real business connections where we can go on and make money together and thrive together and grow together. So if it sounds like something that you're interested in, it should if you're in business, period. Or if you want to be in business, get in this room, y'all. Get in the right room. I'm telling you, we got everybody in there from people who ain't even started yet, all the way up to people that's doing hundreds of millions of dollars and no exaggerations in this industry, y'all. So make sure you get in that room, network, open your mouth, come ready to build, bring giveaways, bring business cards, come to give, come to take, come to build. All right. I'm AJ Simmons, founder of the Clean Biz Network. Make sure y'all meet me there, y'all. I'll talk to y'all soon. Thank y'all.